yeah, I do recommend, just installed that light, used a small medallion, but there's the light. It's too bright, we'll probably rarely use it out here, but it is quiet. We have a string light, so we won't use it. Let's get it going and see how much noise it makes. It's actually, I mean, incredibly quiet for running at full speed. It's got great balance to it, so it's not wobbling at all, hardly. This was a wafer LED, so I needed to get a conversion kit for the ceiling fan. The only thing I recommend is putting the medallion above the black bracket, otherwise the screws won't reach far enough to mount the cone at the top there. But that's it, yeah.